In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off Wi-Fi on your iPhone in two different ways. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And the first way is to open up the settings, then tap right there where it says Wi-Fi and just tap on that switcher to turn Wi-Fi off and then to turn it on. If your Wi-Fi is off, as you can see here, Wi-Fi sign changed to LTE sign, and if I turn it on again, it will now change to Wi-Fi icon. And now let's move on to the second way how you can turn on or off your Wi-Fi. And the way is to open up your control center. Just swipe from the top right corner, swipe down from the top right corner, and here you can tap on that sign to turn off or turn on Wi-Fi on your device. If Wi-Fi sign highlighted with blue color, it means that Wi-Fi now is on, and if you tap here once, now it highlighted with white, and it means that Wi-Fi turned off until tomorrow. Tomorrow Wi-Fi will turn on automatically in that case. And you can also go back here and tap on that sign to turn it on manually. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.